Tolnaftate is a medication used to treat skin infections like athlete's foot, jock itch, and ringworm. It is an antifungal that works by stopping the growth of fungus. Some forms of Tolnaftate may also be used to prevent athlete's foot from returning. It is recommended to use this medication as directed by your doctor. The usual dosage for jock itch 1% topical spray powder is to apply a thin layer to the affected area twice a day, in the morning and at night. This medication is best used at the same times each day to help maintain a consistent level in your body. Be sure to continue using this medication for the full treatment time recommended by your doctor, even if the symptoms improve before the treatment is finished. This medication is for use on the skin only. Before applying, make sure to clean and thoroughly dry the area to be treated. You should apply this medication to the affected skin, usually twice a day or as directed by your doctor. The dosage and length of treatment will depend on the type of infection being treated. If you are using the spray powder form of Tolnaftate, be sure to shake the bottle before applying. Apply enough medication to cover the affected area and some of the surrounding skin. After applying, be sure to wash your hands. Do not wrap, cover, or bandage the area unless directed to do so by your doctor. It's important to use this medication regularly in order to get the most benefit from it. Try to use it at the same time each day. Continue to use this medication until the full prescribed amount is finished, even if your symptoms disappear after a few days. Stopping the medication too early may result in a return of the infection. If your condition lasts after 2 weeks of treatment for jock itch, after 4 weeks of treatment for athlete's foot or ringworm, or if your condition gets worse at any time, be sure to tell your doctor. If you experience irritation of the treated skin that lasts or worsens, please notify your doctor or pharmacist. Your doctor has determined that the benefit of using this medication outweighs the risk of side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Although rare, a serious allergic reaction to this drug may occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not listed, please contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the U.S., if you experience side effects, you can report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, if you experience side effects, you can report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using jock itch 1% topical spray powder, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to Tolnaftate or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems, so it's important to discuss this with your pharmacist for more details. Also, it's crucial to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history before using this medication. If you are planning to have surgery, remember to let your doctor or dentist know about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, this medication should only be used if clearly needed. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor before using it during pregnancy. It's unknown whether this drug passes into breast milk, so it's advisable to consult your doctor before breastfeeding if you are using this medication. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when using jock itch 1% topical spray powder. This can affect how your medications work and may increase the risk of serious side effects. Be sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this with your doctor and pharmacist. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If this medicine is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact a poison control center right away. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. It's important not to share this medication with others, as it has been specifically prescribed for your current condition. It's also crucial not to use it for another infection unless your doctor advises you to do so. Always follow your doctor's instructions and only use this medication as directed. If you forget to use the medication at the scheduled time, you can use it as soon as you remember. But if it's close to the time for your next dose, then skip the missed dose and continue with your regular schedule. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to store this Jock Itch 1% topical spray powder at room temperature, and make sure to keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it's expired or no longer needed, be sure to dispose of it properly. And if you're not sure how to do that, ask your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. Remember, don't flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.